Today's Designing Spaces is all about solutions for everyday living. A trusted furniture brand has great options for a growing family. We have innovative window film technology that will add comfort and protection for your interior. Nothing enhances the value of your home more than beautiful stone surfaces. And on the smaller side of everyday problems, we'll give you an assist on bothersome drain problems. Stay with us. Designing Spaces starts now.
Jennifer Bertrand, professional designer with projects all over the world. Today I'm in the equestrian community of Wellington, Florida to show how to transform and reimagine your living spaces with just a few subtle changes.
Ooh, have you ever wondered how to make over a space quickly and have a large impact? I'm here at the Cerise family and we're gonna do a fast makeover. It's all about small changes that make big impact.
We've been married for 3 years.
Okay, we've been married for almost 4 years in December.
4 years.
We have 2 boys, Luke, he is 2, and Benjamin, he's about 10 months. The living area I love now. I just kind of wish, there's more space when we do have people over. I would love a bigger couch for us to, sit on and entertain. When we do have people over, we have people sitting on the ottoman or just like on the floor right now. So I kind of just want to update, give our house like a new little pizzazz, I guess. So Jen kind of pointed us to Thomasville on the Costco website, and immediately when I saw it, I loved how modern the furniture looked and the price point was incredible, and I just figured it would look perfect in our home.
Yeah, and the office furniture was super easy to order and it just came right to the door.
Hello!
Hello!
Get excited, people! It's the big day. What do you think?
We're excited. I'm a little nervous, but
We're
I'm
excited.
See, don't be nervous.
Yeah.
Today's the big day that Thomasville Sectional arrives, and it's all about good quality. It's an American brand. It's gonna work well for your young family. But on top of that, we're adding a new rug, and I'm gonna add some Jen touches. You're staring at me like, what are we going to do today?
I'm excited. I want to see what happens.
Yes.
Yeah.
So here's the thing, a design tip. When you add a new piece of furniture that has a heavier weight, everything's weighted on the ground, plus we're changing tones of your couch. So I'm gonna elevate the design. We're gonna do a vertical wall feature, and then in your office, I figured let's give it a little masculine vibe, but still kind of fit your cashmere tones, but give you a place to have your own space that feels like you.
Perfect.
Well, I'm gonna put you guys to work, so let's get started. We have a lot to do.
Okay, let's go.
I only had 1 day to do this makeover, so what can you do to do simple design fast? It's all about paint and fast, like carpentry skills. So we're adding paneling to the wall in the living room, which adds vertical height to the space, and I put Glenn to work painting. So in the office, he didn't want a dark space, so we just did an accent wall that'll really balance the new desk. I'm gonna have you start cutting in, because that we do before the rolling. Don't spill it all over.
I'll try not to.
Look at that, look. This is like a cashmere color. It's like an Angora hug. I'll even take that up for you. Perfect. Good. Let's see. I want to see it go on. Let's go on. No pressure, Glenn. It's going to look amazing. What do you think?
That looks really good.
Doesn't it already say man cave office?
Oh, definitely.
Alex, you can already see the paneling going up. What do you think?
I absolutely love it, and it already makes the wall look like 10 times bigger than it was, so I'm loving it already.
Perfect, we're ready. Okay, now it's time for power tools. Come on, let's get them. I would clad the whole world in wood if I could. When you're doing a piece like this and you want to get it level, you can run a chalk line, you can run a pencil line. So by having the pencil line, it'll help you focus on what you're trying to do, which is nail gun stuff in and not worry about keeping it level. So, okay, go ahead, mark it, Jesus. Tight there. There's your run. Thank you, sir. Okay, so here's the key. This one is cordless, it has a battery.
Okay.
So when you hold it, we're gonna do it like this. What?
Okay.
Amazing. Never point it at anyone.
Yeah,
Key,
okay.
you got it?
Yes.
Go ahead. Now, was that hard?
No.
Right,
Pretty
high
easy.
five. Girls don't need pink tools.
I really love the new living room. The furniture for one, the modular sofa, it's really gonna be able to adapt to our living style with having 2 kids and then being able to entertain at night.
It has storage in the ottoman, which I absolutely love. It's spacious and the sectional is super comfy as well. I feel like it completely transformed our living room into a much lighter, airier, and like brighter space.
We did it, a one-day makeover, and I love it. It feels like them. I got to know them really fast, but we did small moments that gave big results. So I know they're gonna love it, and it's gonna inspire them to keep doing more in their house.
For more information on the furniture featured today, look for the Thomasville brand on Costco.com.
Hi, I'm Molly. I'm a wife and mom of 3 kids, so we're always doing dishes around here. And the sink always gets clogged. But the real problem is upstairs in my daughter's bathroom. I'm always braiding and brushing her hair. So let's take a look.
Mommy, the sink's not working.
Oh no. Con, the sink in Vicky's bathroom isn't draining. Can you come up?
Hey, what's going on in here, ladies?
The sink's clogged.
Oh no. Well, let Daddy fix it. Mommy, why don't you take her outside and fix her hair out there, and I'll fix this.
Thanks, Daddy.
Many homeowners have a plumber on speed dial. According to Home Guide, it can cost as much as $550 to have a drain unclogged by a professional plumber. Before booking an expensive house call, many clogs can be fixed and prevented with consumer-friendly products, like Danco's liquid Rhyno drain opener and buildup remover. Maintain your drainage system and prevent slow-flowing drain problems and clogs with Danco's liquid Rhyno's buildup remover. It charges headfirst at pipe buildup caused by hair, grease, paper, food, and soap scum on drain pipe walls. The buildup remover is safe for sinks, tubs, showers, toilets, and even RVs. Danco's liquid Rhyno is the hard-charging muscle, bringing powerful solutions for even the toughest plumbing problems, every time.
Now that the clog is fixed, we put catchers and strainers in all the sinks to prevent from any food and hair getting clogged. I'm gonna go give our dog Ernie a bath and not have to worry about any of his fur causing another clog.
Go to liquidrhino.com/DS to see their entire product line of pro-strength drain care and to read helpful blogs. Visit designingspaces.tv for more information.
Today's Metroplex 5-day forecast, more sun, no clouds, and a high UV index. It's going to be a real scorcher out there. A good day to stay indoors.
Honey, we really need to find a way to make our new home more comfortable.
Yeah, I know.
I mean, all this glare, it's way too bright and hot in here. And the idea of closing out this beautiful view, I don't know, with blinds or curtains, just pains me. Let me show you something I found online.
Okay.
So this is the site. It's LLumar.com. These are window films. They help reduce glare, help cut down on the heat, and can help our new floors from fading. And I just think it adheres right to the glass.
This isn't a DIY project, is it?
No, they install it for you. I say let's see if a LLumar Select Pro dealer can come out to the house, help us get more information, and just see if it's a real viable solution.
Cheryl and Nick share a similar problem homeowners throughout the country have: excessive sunlight coming through their home's windows. They want to enjoy these rooms for TV, relaxing, entertaining, fun with the kids, you name it. But they don't want to lose those great views or suffer with excessive heat inside the home.
Hi.
Cheryl?
Yes.
I'm Mark. Nice to meet you.
Likewise. Come on in.
Hey, Mark. I'm Nick.
Hi, Nick. I'm Mark. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you for choosing LLumar. So I understand you have some heat and glare issues.
Oh, we do. We have this gorgeous view, but we're getting blasted with so much sun.
That's an amazing view.
I know.
Can you show me?
Yes, absolutely. Come on down.
Well, what we have is lots of sun glare, and it really affects the quality of enjoyment here at the house.
Okay.
Movies with the family and things like that. But we don't want to cover this view with blinds or with curtains. And also, certain times of the day, it gets really hot in here.
It really does.
So what do you recommend?
We can apply a window film that will help reduce the glare, it'll help reduce the heat, and achieve what you're looking for. In addition, it will also help reduce the fading on your furniture and flooring.
Love that.
One of the largest misconceptions is it's going to make it dark.
How dark?
People are worried it may look like a cloudy day, and it won't. What it does is it reduces the amount of glare coming through, so it's going to make what you see clearer. When you're looking out at this amazing view, it's going to be optically sharper. Would you mind showing me the rest of the house?
Yeah, absolutely.
Sure.
I'll put up a couple of samples, so then you can actually see it, and you can make an educated decision on what's best for your home.
Sounds great.
Okay, let's see.
As Mark checks out the house window areas most affected, Cheryl and Nick remain optimistic they may have finally found a solution.
This brochure is going to go over several of the key items that we spoke about, how it's going to help reduce your glare, help reduce the heat, and some of the warranty information. These are the two samples of the window films that I actually narrowed down after listening to all your needs and tailoring it to exactly what you and your family need. Guys, I'm so excited to show you this. I took the liberty of doing two samples for you. On this side, we did LLumar's Dual Reflective 35. On this side, we did LLumar's Spectrally Select 70.
So what's the real difference between these two then?
You had three hurdles you were trying to achieve. You were trying to achieve heat control, you were trying to achieve glare control, and you were trying to achieve fade control. Both films are going to help you with your heat control. The Dual Reflective 35 is going to give you better glare control. After listening to everything you wanted, I feel this would be the better choice for your home. If you look through it at your amazing view, this is going to have more of an earth tone. If you look through the Spectrally Select, it's going to be more of a natural tone.
Yeah, I feel like I can really see and feel the difference.
I feel the same.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
The sunny weather continues as the sun beats down, and then it's time for Cheryl and Nick to make a choice.
You know, I'm going to go with your recommendation. The LLumar Dual Reflective Film, I think that's the way to go for us.
Absolutely. I can't wait to start enjoying my room again.
That is a great choice for your house. Would you like to schedule an appointment?
Yes.
Let's go.
After discussing how LLumar window film will help them better enjoy their home and their view for years to come, and how the installation process would work, Mark agrees to return with his installation crew. Meanwhile, Nick and Cheryl are happy with their decision and the smart choice they made.
This just makes the inside more livable.
It's like when I put on my sunglasses, everything gets clearer.
To find out more about LLumar window film and to find a LLumar Select Pro dealer that will help you meet your unique needs, visit LLumar.com/designing spaces. And to view this segment again, visit us online at designingspaces.tv.
When homeowners Cole and Morgan decided it was time to select countertops for their kitchen and master bath, they knew exactly where to go. Living in Texas Hill Country just outside Austin, these homeowners were just a short drive to a unique, product-rich showroom where they could choose from the finest in natural stone, quartz, and tile. A chance to look and see, feel and touch, to find the perfect material, and most importantly, to get answers for any project-related questions. All available at Architectural Surfaces Austin area showrooms and their 21 locations nationwide.
Hi, welcome to Architectural Surfaces.
I'm Morgan.
Morgan, I'm Jason.
Nice to meet you.
How you doing, man? I'm Cole.
Cole, Jason, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What brings you in today?
We're building a new house, and we'd like to pick out some countertops. So take a look at some. We're trying to figure out what we're going to do in different rooms.
These savvy homeowners knew one of the smartest home investments they could make was in their kitchen and master bath.
This is a large facility. We actually have 21 facilities around the country, kind of coast to coast, that all have very deep breadth of inventory of both natural stone, quartz, and tile. I think that's a wonderful choice. Cole and Morgan came to Architectural Surfaces where they were focused on master bathroom and kitchen selections. Next selection that I thought would work well for your master bathroom to help pull out some of those gray tones in the floors and that white tile that you have.
In the bathtub, yes.
Ooh, that
Gosh.
would be great in the master.
That is beautiful.
So this is also another marble natural stone. This is actually from Brazil.
Choosing top quality materials and making choices that not only fit individual taste and lifestyle, but ones that fit a budget is paramount to this husband and wife's get it done right the first time attitude.
Babe, this would look great in the powder bath and maybe even the guest small upstairs bath too. I love this, yeah.
No, I really like that one a lot.
Me too.
That's great.
As an independent fabricator and installation expert, Azaz Tour knows the benefits of working with a large company like Architectural Surfaces.
Architectural Surfaces not only has a great facility, but they always have a huge stock of granite, quartz, marble, quartzite, and it's kind of a one-stop shop, you know, where the reason that I recommended Cole and Morgan to go out there is because they have a giant selection of quality stone. Not only do they have quality stone, but they also have a lot of designer colors to where you can get some of the best looking, trending items on the market.
So, how did it all turn out? Well, Cole, Morgan, and Azaz put it this way.
Man, Architectural Surfaces really just nailed it.
I know, it looks so good.
Super impressed with this quartz project, this LLumar.
I completely agree with you guys. You know, Architectural Surfaces, you know, best in class products, best in class delivery, which means I get it faster, you get it faster. You guys have a beautiful home here. Product selection was amazing. The LLumar, I mean, I think everything just came out. You couldn't do it any better. You guys want to check out the master?
Yeah, let's go check it out.
All right. Man, this bathroom looks awesome.
Thank you.
Oh, we love how it turned out.
You got some beautiful shadow storm from Architectural Surfaces. You know, as a fabricator installer, it's one of the things I really like is for clients like you guys, we can always find, you know, designer type stone there. And with it being Brazilian marble, you guys aren't going to have to worry as much as you would with the Italian marble. So it's a little more durable, you know, with your makeup products, and I think you guys are going to be happy with the way that it lives in the house.
Oh, I think so. I love the color. I think it really ties this room together with the gray tub.
Making customers happy, from fabricators to homeowners like Cole and Morgan. That's what Architectural Surfaces promises. Local soul from coast to coast. The purchasing power of a national company, optimized delivery networks across the country, and a whole lot more. To discover the more for yourself and where to find a showroom in your area, go to arcsurfaces.com. And to view this segment again, visit us at designingspaces.tv. For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.